All right, welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. You know, we love getting into the nitty-gritty
Oh, yeah?
of those little things that you can do to really up your tech game.
Mm-hmm.
And today, we're going to be diving into the world of keyboard shortcuts.
Okay.
Specifically, we're going to be looking at Shuttle plus P.
Right.
And we're going to be going deep on Shuttle plus P.
Crupper plus P. I use it all the time. I don't even think about it.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like one of those things you just, it's built into your muscle memory at this point.
Exactly.
But we're going to be looking at what this simple shortcut says about user interfaces,
Interesting.
and the history of computing and all that kind of stuff.
That is interesting.
So have you ever stopped to think about
I haven't.
why Shuttle plus P?
Hmm.
Like, we're so used to it, but
Yeah.
what does it tell us about how we interact with computers?
Well, I mean, like you were saying, it's so ingrained.
Right.
Like
Yeah.
when I need to print something, I
Yeah.
just scroll plus P and I don't even have to think about it.
You don't even think about it.
But I guess if you think about it from a historical perspective,
Mm-hmm.
back in the day, printing wasn't
Oh, yeah.
as simple as it is now.
Oh, no, it was a whole rigmarole.
Yeah.
It was like you had to really think about it.
You had to go through menus and submenus and configurations and
Yeah, you had to load the paper.
yeah, exactly. Like
Make sure the ink was
it
okay.
was a whole process.
Yeah. And Ctrl plus P kind of reflects that in a way because it's this shortcut that bypasses all of that.
Yeah.
It's like saying, look, I just want to print. I don't want to deal with all this other
I
stuff.
got it.
So it's kind of fascinating that such a simple shortcut can tell us so much about
It is.
how user interfaces have evolved.
It's like a little time capsule
Yeah, it's like a little time capsule right there on your keyboard.
on your
So
keyboard.
it's not just about speed. It's about control
Absolutely.
because it puts you in command of the print settings instantly.
Right. You don't have to go clicking through all those menus.
Yeah, no more hunting for that print button buried somewhere in the file menu.
Exactly. And that's really what efficiency is all about.
Okay, so let's paint a picture here.
Okay.
Imagine you're working on this massive document, right?
Right.
Multiple sections, tons of images.
Mm-hmm.
You spent hours getting the formatting just right,
Okay. Yeah.
and then you hit print,
Oh, boy.
and disaster strikes.
What happened?
Everything's jumbled up, pages are cut off, images are overlapping.
Oh, no.
Your carefully crafted layout is completely ruined.
That's the worst.
And you know what's even worse? You're out of paper and ink.
Oh, no.
Oh, the nightmare.
So what can we do to avoid this?
Well, my friend, this is where the magic of keyboard shortcuts
Okay.
comes in to save the day.
I'm listening.
There's this other little gem that can help you avoid this printing apocalypse.
Oh,
Alt plus W plus I.
Alt plus W plus I? What's that do?
This, my friend, takes you to page break view.
Oh, page break view. Okay.
It's like having X-ray vision for your printouts.
I like that.
You can see exactly how your document is going to look on the printed page.
It's handy.
No more surprises, no more wasted paper, no more frantic trips to the store for more ink.
I like it.
So we've got Ctrl plus P for speed and control, right?
Yes.
And then we've got Alt plus W plus I for preventing those printing disasters.
It's a powerful combo.
It really is a powerful combo.
And it shows you that keyboard shortcuts aren't just about saving a few seconds here and there.
Right, it's bigger than that.
It's about gaining control over your whole digital workflow.
You're like a digital wizard.
Exactly. You're working smarter, not harder.
It's like unlocking a secret level of productivity.
Yeah. And who doesn't love that feeling of being in the know?
It's a good feeling.
You've got these little secrets that make you a tech master.
Mm-hmm.
And the best part is there's always more to learn.
Always more.
There are shortcuts out there for almost every task you can think of.
So here's a little challenge for you.
Okay.
Think of something you do on your computer all the time.
Yeah.
Something that feels clunky or just takes too long.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I challenge you to go find a keyboard shortcut for it.
I like it.
You might just discover a whole new way of working.
Yeah. Once you get that shortcut efficiency, you'll never go back.
It's true.
It's a journey of optimization and discovery.
So keep diving deeper and keep those fingers flying across those keyboards.
Happy shortcut hunting, everybody.
We'll see you next time.